Can you buy Ripple on Kraken? Yes, you can purchase Ripple, XRP, on Kraken, a prominent cryptocurrency exchange known for its extensive selection of digital assets. Kraken offers a user-friendly platform where individuals can buy, sell, and trade XRP with relative ease. The process involves creating an account, completing the necessary verification steps, and funding your account through various methods such as bank transfers or credit debit cards. Once your account is funded, you can proceed to buy XRP directly through Kraken's platform. One of the advantages of using Kraken is its strong emphasis on security. The exchange has implemented robust security measures to protect user assets, which has helped it maintain a strong reputation in the often tumultuous world of cryptocurrency. Additionally, Kraken supports users from over 190 countries, making it accessible to a wide range of individuals. However, it's important to be aware of some drawbacks. User reviews have highlighted issues such as poor response times and frozen accounts. Some users have reported long delays in customer support responses, which can be frustrating when trying to resolve urgent issues. Additionally, when purchasing cryptocurrencies via a debit card, the displayed fee can be around 4.8%, which is relatively high compared to other exchanges. A fascinating aspect of XRP is its significant price volatility. In some cases, XRP has surged by hundreds of percentage points in response to regulatory and market shifts, demonstrating the potential for substantial gains. However, this also underscores the inherent risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. Prices can swing dramatically within short periods, making it crucial for investors to stay informed and exercise caution. In summary, while Kraken provides a secure and accessible platform for purchasing XRP, potential users should be mindful of the reported customer service issues and higher transaction fees. As with any investment, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and consider the inherent risks involved in the volatile cryptocurrency market.